we have to multiply fraction with the whole number. Anytime you multiply fraction with the whole number, you have to keep in mind that we have to convert whole number to the fraction. Okay, so let me copy down 3 over 8. And 12, I have to convert to the fraction. Anytime you want to convert whole number to fraction, you have to write the whole number over 1. Okay, because 12 divided by 1 is 12. Now, next, you have to check what we can reduce. Okay, we said we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. Please notice that 8 is divisible by 4 and 12 is divisible by 4. That's why I'm going to divide 8 by 4, and 12 I'm going to divide also by 4. So my problem is going to look like this. 3, because I didn't do anything with 3, divided by 8 divided by 4 is 2, times 12 divided by 4 is 3, and I have 1. Now I can perform the multiplication. Anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. I got 9 over 2. This is the example of the improper fraction. Most of the time we convert improper fractions to the mixed numbers. How we can do that? Simply divide 9 by 2. So 9 divided by 2. The question is, how many times 2 goes into 9? Goes 4 times. 4 times 2 gives me 8. Subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. My answer is 4 and 1/2. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 4 and 1/2.